I am Jacob, born on the 4th of February 2007, a perfectly normal child. I was only 3 months old when my biological father physically abused me. My mum was in hospital with my brother because he had bitten through his tongue. The abuse caused bleeding on the brain and I had a shunt put in for 12 months. This included follow-up doctor's appointments, MRI and CAT scans till I was 3 years old. A CAT scan at 5 months old revealed another bleed on the brain. My 3-year-old brother described the abuse to mum. She had had enough and reported him to the police, but there was not enough evidence to press any charges. It was shocking to find all this out. I even learned some things whilst writing this. I haven't seen my father since I was 2 years old. It was hard when I was in grade 6 because I had matured and realized what had happened. My own father didn't even warn me. Father's Day and footy seasons can be hard for me. It sometimes saddens me to see kids having fun with their dads. I live in a rural area and it's stereotyped that dads go out and play footy or ride bikes with their kids. Doctors were concerned I would not be able to develop mentally and physically due to pressure on the brain caused by the blood. Incredibly, this was not the case. I realise now that if he had stayed, then our lives would have been worse, so I am glad that Mum made the decision to kick him out. Everybody has things that they wish were different. I have dreams of becoming a musician, and I have friends who are in the same sort of situation as me. I'm thankful for the people that have supported me throughout my life so far.